My favorite thing about the Magical Butter machine is the ease of use.
The ease of use.
You literally just put your herbs and what you want to infuse in the machine, hit 2 buttons, and then your infusion is ready to go into any recipe you could possibly think of.
I'll go in my kitchen, set up my recipe, click on the cycle, and I know that I don't have to worry about anything.
You can make these chef-level quality meals all with this one machine.
And it really puts the control in people's hands to allow them to make medicine at home.
You don't have to be an expert in using it to be able to use it right away.
It can be really challenging to create your own ingestible oils or edibles, and really I think the Magical Butter machine takes a lot of that guesswork out.
We make it seamless, we make it easy, but we leave it up to you to control your potency. And you get to figure out what you want and need, and then you can plan your life around it.